guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick little video for you guys. It's actually a Dollar Tree haul of things that I picked up for a 4th of July party that I'm planning. I basically was trying to figure out something that I could do for my girls to give them a really fun 4th of July. Since everything is kind of wonky right now in the world, I thought I've been trying to be really intentional about making their summer extra fun, and I've never had a 4th of July party. So of course, when thinking about having one, the first place I went was Dollar Tree, because I know they always have really great party supplies, and they didn't let me down. I found quite a few really cute things, and I'm really excited. So what we're planning to do is have some activities for the girls in the afternoon, and then around dinner time, some of the family is gonna come over. We're gonna cook out and do all that stuff, and then after that, around 9 or so, we're all gonna kind of disperse and go to find a good place in town to watch the local fireworks. Obviously not gonna be going down in a big group or anything, but maybe somewhere from afar we can actually see them. That's our plan for the 4th. We also do have our own fireworks. We purchased tiny little ones. We don't get the big things. I'm not about that. We have a couple fountains and stuff that I purchased from Kroger. We always do out in front of the house kind of after it gets dark. So that's the plan for that. But I found quite a few cute things at Dollar Tree. I thought these were absolutely adorable. I got one that has the red top, one that has the blue top, and I'm planning on using them as a centerpiece for the table. Also for the table, I got these really cute little sparkly star like scatters. There's not very many in here, 20 pieces, but I just thought it'd be kind of cute to kind of scatter on the table, so I picked those up. I wanted to have something going across like the front of my house. I've got some columns out in the front, and so I purchased this 8-foot flag banner bunting. I thought it was really pretty because obviously you hang it this way, but it's got the metallic kind of background and then just the pretty flag design. I got 2 of those because I don't think 8 feet is going to be enough. So 2 of those to go across the front, maybe also somewhere out front, I'm not really sure. I got this balloon banner. They're like inflatable. You don't have to use helium or anything. I thought they were super cute, so I picked those up. Also got this tassel garland. This is 9 feet, and so it alternates between a tassel, a star, a tassel, a star. So I thought that was really cute. Obviously, I thought all this stuff was really cute or I wouldn't have bought it. I also got some of these red, white, and blue star balloons. I was trying to decide if I wanted to use them for decoration, or I might actually do a game with them, like put little prizes, or like tickets for prizes on the inside, and the girls have to randomly pick them to pop it to see if they got a balloon that had a prize in it. I thought that might be kind of fun, so I picked those up. There are 12 in this pack. I also got these little paper lanterns. They had a couple different designs. I got this one, which looks like the flag, and then this one, which is just white with the stars on it. It already has a little light with it. I think I just need to put batteries in it myself. But I thought they were really cute to hang somewhere, probably outside from the patio umbrella, unless it's raining. So I got those. I also got some American flag plates, some red napkins. I already have some punch bowl glasses, so I don't need to get really any cups or anything. I got some sparklers. We always get our sparklers at Dollar Tree. I also got this set of the red, white, and blue necklaces, the glow necklaces. I need to get some more because I think we're gonna have more people than I thought, and I thought everybody might like to have one. So I need to get some more of those, but for now I have that package. That's everything that I picked up for our 4th of July party, except for the big case of fireworks that I got at Kroger. Other than that, I just have to get like things for baking and food and stuff we're gonna have. We're gonna have some sugar cookies that I'm gonna decorate and like stars, and I've got some red and blue sugar sprinkles I'm going to use to decorate those. My mom's going to bring potato salad. We're going to grill out hamburgers and just have some other things like green beans. Typical 4th of July party stuff. Even though I've never had one, it's kind of typical food. And I think it's going to be really fun and hopefully something that the girls will really enjoy, because like I said, I'm trying really hard. I always try really hard, I feel like, but I'm trying really hard to do as much with them out of the ordinary for summer, because their summer is kind of a little different this year. We don't have many places to go or that many things to do, with everything being kind of canceled or really limited. So I thought it'd be fun and a great time to get together with family. So if you guys are planning a party, whether it's 4th of July, I know Dollar Tree has the luau stuff they do every year. Definitely head to Dollar Tree if you need party supplies. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.